Hey everyone, welcome back to iOS Hacker. In this tutorial, we will show you the steps to access and use the ambient music feature in iOS 18.4. In addition to this, we will also guide you through the steps that will enable you to switch between different ambient music playlists that are available to the users. The new ambient music feature is available on devices running iOS 18.4 or later. This feature can be accessed through the control center, and even though it plays the music through the Apple Music app, it does not require you to have Apple Music subscription. To add ambient music buttons to your device, you have to access the control center by swiping down from the top right corner. On the control center screen, long press on a blank space and then tap on Add a Control option. On the Add a Control screen, scroll down until you get to the new ambient music section and choose the ambient music category that you want to add. You can choose between sleep, chill, productivity, and well-being categories. Each of these buttons play the song based on these moods. After you have added these buttons, you can move them around and change their sizes. To play ambient music, you just have to tap on the newly added button. You can stop or pause music playback by tapping on the button once again or by pausing the music from the music widget. But that's not it, as the ambient music feature also offers some customization features to the users. This allows users to choose different playlists for each ambient music category. You can choose a different playlist by accessing the control center and long pressing in a blank space. Then you have to tap on the ambient music category button you want to select a different playlist for. As you can see, with the sleep category, we get playlist options that include sleep sounds, bedtime beats, sound bath, and piano sleep. You will get such options for each of the ambient music category. You can also add multiple buttons for the same category and select different playlists for each of them, which is cool. That's it. This is how you can add ambient music buttons to the control center and choose different playlists in this feature. If you like this video, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I will catch you in our next video.